So this is not meant as a repair video, guys, just light maintenance, preventative measures that you can take if you suspect your sunroof on your Prius C is leaking. Okay, so from the manual here, guys, I was taking a look in the workshop manual, and here's the drawing of the sliding roof housing assembly, as they refer to it. Basically, the mounting system and drain channel assembly that the entire mechanism sits into is installed in the roof. Why am I showing you this? Well, as you can see, there's actually 4 drain lines at each corner of the assembly. The downside is accessing this is pretty involved. You basically need to remove the headliner. I don't want to do that. I don't know I have an active leak. I just want to reassure myself that the drain system is actually functional. Again, this is not a repair video per se, guys. It's just simple maintenance to reassure yourself that the drainage system on your sunroof is functional, minimizing the likelihood of water intrusion. So again, there's what it looks like. We basically need to try and flush the 4 lines without any major disassembly of the drainage system for the sunroof. There's a bit of staining on the headliner here from clearly the car is equipped with a sunroof, and it's no serious, but something is staining that headliner, you know, because of the curvature of the roof. Is actually drains on this side and on this side, so all 4 corners there's actually a drain tube as per the manual. The trouble is you can't see a damn thing here. The corner here, that's where the drain is located, somewhere here, and it drains down, I suspect, through the A pillar here and through the C pillar. And I actually put some cleaning solution down the front drain there. You can see it's draining. I'll show you a picture for the inside. It's difficult to see under the sill there exactly where the drain line is. So the idea of the video here, guys, is to make this simple. I don't want to go overboard with some disassembly of the headliner and get crazy. It's quite possible there's actually nothing wrong with it, but this is Canada. So when you get water in there, it can freeze, and no drain is going to do you any good in that situation if the drain line itself is actually frozen, you know. You can get a bit of melt water, and it's just the nature of the beast perhaps. So I don't want to go overboard here, but what I'm going to do is check all 4 corners are in fact draining. As I said, put some cleaning solution down each drain. In the event it's actually electric bikes and scooters, huh? Didn't they have them when I was a kid? All 4 drain lines I'm going to kind of flush with a wee bit of cleaning solution, and the assumption will be that if all the drain tubes are actually flowing, that there is no clog, and I don't need to actually disassembling anything any further. I'm also going to clean the seal here, which you can see is a wee bit worn, weathered. I'm going to clean the seal, put some mold release or silicone to try and improve the sealing qualities, but it's not the seal that's the issue, of course, right? The seal is only, well, as the primary protection against water intrusion, but really it's the drain system within the scupper all around that actually provides you the ultimate water intrusion protection. So just a little spray bottle, guys, that I can pressurize, you know, so I can control the amount of cleaning fluid, but this will do, you know. If push comes to shove, this is just kind of a, I don't know, maybe a quarter to the cleaning solution to water mix. Try and get it right in the corner there where the drain actually is. Right, and the idea is, if it's draining, which it is clearly in that corner, then the drain line must be open. Yeah, Now it could be breached, of course, and it's only partially draining all of the fluid, but first things first, you know. If it's flowing, let's assume it's functional. Okay, so all 4 drains are in fact flowing. Now I can actually flow a bit more through there. I was reluctant to put too much through initially, obviously, in case it was blocked and I was going to flood the headliner. So I'll carry on rinsing it with this for a bit, and then I'll clean the seal. So once you've flushed everything, it's a good idea to clean in the drain channel here. So I'm looking, this is the windshield, I'm looking aft on the car here, looking to the back side of the car here, guys. Not this channel here, where the mechanism, the guide channel for the sunroof actually drives back and forth, but this outboard on the outside of the car, that channel here is actually the drain channel. So you want to make sure that that's nice and clean, free of any leaves or dirt, mildew or mold, you know. And then the forward corners here is where it drains on both sides. Sorry, it's hard to get an angle here, guys, on both sides here. So you want to clean under the deflector here. You want, this is a drain scupper here as well, so you want to make sure it's nice and clean in here. And then, as I said, clean this area here. This is where the seal actually contacts, and the seal itself, I'm going to clean the seal and put a wee bit of silicone mold release on it, just to maximize the chances it will stay weather tight. Silicone grease around the body cutout for good measure. Now this is grease, this is not sealant, it's silicone grease. good. I'm gonna clean any residual silicone off with some glass cleaner. So pretty much without fail, anytime I show a manual in the video, somebody will ask in the comments, can I get a copy of your manual? No, you can't get a copy of the manual from me, but you can certainly buy one online. Just Google PDF, workshop manual, in this case Prius C, of course, right? They're dirt cheap, they're like 20 bucks or something. Right, that's it. I hope this helps somebody. That's it. Cheers.